I'm going to show you how to get top and viral wallpaper on your Galaxy S26 Ultra. Simply open your settings, go to theme section or press on wallpaper and style, like select theme and follow this showing it to wallpaper. Okay, and you get top option or best. When I'm press on to best option, that means this wallpaper are best, top and viral. Select on that you wanna like select this, and as you can see now it's rating to 5.00. okay, or press on to top. Now it's a top and viral, so you just follow the ranking. This is the most top and viral wallpaper because this is a iPhone wallpaper. Press on to apply, to next, and done. So as you can see, this is a viral and top wallpaper. So that's how we can easily find this.